Welcome to all the students. Today we will discuss about the polyline and other commands because we have already discussed in previous class how to draw the line command and how to set up the screen, all this. So type L enter, first select first point, second point, and at that point, and you will draw the lines from that type. Now you have to choose the second polyline. Choose the polyline option from draw toolbar, or simply you can type the shortcut command pl enter to activate the polyline command. After choosing the polyline command, in your command bar, polyline will be specify your first point. You can specify your first point on your screen and specify your next point anywhere you want on your screen, or in your command bar there are arc, then half width, length, close options are also showing. So in this video we have also learned how the use of that. So simply choose the first point and choose the second point. If you want to draw a arc with your polyline, then you can simply choose arc option from your command bar, or you can type a enter to activate the arc command. Now you can draw arc with your polyline. And again, if you want to come back with your line command, then no need to again close the command. You simply choose line option from your command bar, or simply you can type L enter to activate the line command again. The next option is half width. So for the half width, you can simply choose half width option from your command bar, or you can simply type H enter to activate the half width command. Half width is a command which changes your width of the line. Suppose you want to draw a 3 or 4 or 5 thickness of line, then you can choose width or half width command. For the half width command, if you type 2 for the thickness of line, then it will converts multiply of 2. It means the line will be 4 thick. It means if you want to draw any thickness of line, then you can put the half of the width of the line, then put the ending half width. I put same, and it is showing your line will 4 thick because I put 2 as a half width. So you can draw any line which will be 4 thick. So simply type enter to activate the polyline command and choose the first point, and here the line width is 4. So if you want to change the width of the line, then you can simply choose width option from your command bar and type the first starting width 2 and the ending width is 4. Then you can draw the line with that type. It means your starting width is 2 and your ending width will be 4 Then if you want to change the width again, then you can choose width option and type 0 as your starting width, and again type your ending width also 0. Now you can draw the line with 0 thickness. And now simply you can choose escape to escape this command. And the main difference between the line and polyline is, if you choose any line from the line you have drawn from by line command, the particular line will be selected. But in the polyline command, you have draw any line, you can choose anywhere of the line, it will be selected the whole line. That is the main difference between the line and poly. Next is circle. You can draw circle by different methods. From your draw toolbar, you can choose the circle option and choose any option if you want to draw any type. Then if you want to draw the circle by your command, then you simply type C enter to activate your circle command, and from your command bar you can choose any options, any type if you want to draw the circles. But in your circle section, there is option 10 10 10. The 10 10 10 type circle, it only activated through option only, it cannot be activated by command section. So now let's start the circle for the first type. First type is center radius. So choose center radius and specify the center point anywhere on your screen, and specify the radius that you want to draw the circle. For the diameter, if you want to draw with the diameter, then you can simply choose diameter option from your command bar. You can put the diameter and draw the line. For the center radius, I put the radius is 200 and type enter. Now the center radius circle will be created. Now for the second option, diameter, you choose center diameter and choose your center from your screen, and choose the diameter which you want to draw the circle. You can simply choose the center diameter option from your draw toolbar, or you can type on your command bar C enter and D enter to activate the center diameter option. Now next is 2p option and 3p option. For the 2p and 3p option, we have to draw some lines. So choose the line command, and this is the first line, and this is the second line. Now if the distance between the two lines are not mentioned and someone tell you draw a circle in between the two lines, then how you have to draw? So for this option you have to choose the 2p option. So simply you can choose 2p option from your draw toolbar, and if you want to choose 2p option from your command bar, you can simply type C enter and choose 2p and type 2p enter, and the 2p option will be activated. After activating the command, it will specify you first endpoint of the circle diameter. You can choose the first endpoint and choose the second endpoint of the circle diameter, and your circle will be created, and the distance between the circle will be taken as diameter automatically. Okay, and now we erase the line, erase the circle, and draw a line, L enter, and first point, this is the second point, and another line will be created. Now if someone tell you draw a circle in between the three lines, then you can simply choose say 3p option from your draw toolbar and put the first specify first point and the next point and the third point of the circle, then your circle will be created, which circle will be touches the three line. Okay, next is 10 10 radius. It means you have to draw a circle in between two objects. This circle is tangent to the two objects, and you have to know only the radius of the circle. Then you have to choose 10 10 radius option from your draw toolbar, or you can simply type C enter and choose TTR, or type TTR enter to activate the tangent radius option. Now tangent radius option will be activated. Remember it, always look the command bar, what it requires, see that and do according them. Now it will specify the first tangent of circle. You can choose the first object, and choose the second tangent of circle, then choose the second tangent, and now put the radius. It will specify the radius of the circle. You put the radius value and type enter. Now your circle will be created, which will be a tangent to these two objects. Here the distance between the two objects is more than the circle diameter, that's why the circle will be exist. If you want to draw less diameter circle, then choose circle option and choose TTR, or tangent radius option, and specify the first tangent So specify the second tangent and specify the radius. I put 4, enter. Then it will show the circle doesn't exist. It means if the circle between the two lines is possible to draw, then it will exist. And now I simply erase them. So next is the tangent. This option only activated through the draw toolbar. It cannot be activated through command bar. So simply you can choose tangent from draw toolbar and specify the first tangent point, and choose the second tangent point and choose the third tangent point, and your circle will be created, which will the tangent to the 3 point. Okay. Next is arc. There are many ways to draw an arc. Among them, remember it, if you want to draw an arc, then you must follow the command line. Suppose you want to draw the start, center, end arc, then you must choose first start point and center point and then end point, then your arc will be activated. And suppose you want to start, center, angle, then you can choose start, center and angle. So the first is 3 point. So the first 3 point, you have to choose the 3 point option from your draw toolbar and specify the first point and the second point and the third point, then your arc will be created. And the next one is start, center, end. If you want to draw an arc with start, center, end, then you can specify your start point and specify your center point and specify your next point to draw the arc. Here notice one thing carefully, your arc direction is anti-clockwise. So if you want to draw the arc with clockwise, then see carefully your command bar. Here it so hold control to switch direction. It means if you want to switch the direction with clockwise, then hold your control key and your arc will be clockwise. Now for the second, if you want to draw other arc, then you can simply choose any option and draw the arc. And among them, the continuous arc is different. The continuous arc, it means this arc will start from the last command where I used. It means here I last command used here, so choose the continuous arc, and from here my arc will be created. So you can simply choose any point, then your arc will be created. So if I use line command, then this is the last endpoint, and if I want to draw an arc, continuous arc, then choose continuous arc and your arc will be activated from here. So now I can draw the continuous arc from here. Okay. So thank you to all, thank you for watching this video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.